Yo, what's up guys? Welcome to the channel once again. So today I'll be uploading this video today. So if you're watching this today, actually Merry Christmas. It is Christmas today, so Merry Christmas. So I want to give you an update on the E30 real quick. And also, since it's snowing outside today, which is kind of weird, it always snows here for like Christmas or Christmas Eve only, and then it stops snowing for like the rest of the year. It's kind of weird, but I posted on my Snapchat if people wanted me to go like do a little Snapchat video of me taking out for a rip in the snow. So might as well take you guys along with me. So, and if you guys don't have your Snapchat, which some of you guys probably don't, I'll put it right here somewhere. So you just can go add me on Snapchat, I'll add you back. And yeah, on the E30, let me give you just a quick update real quick. Sorry for the mess, everything's pretty messy right now. I gotta clean up a lot of stuff. But I got the ECU hooked up, and I was able to connect the ECU onto the VAM's mobile app. So, and everything was working. It was full connection, and since I couldn't turn the car on or anything else yet, since I don't even have a base map in there, if you move the throttle, like body, it would recognize it on the display. So that's how I knew that everything was working. My issue was I can't get it to connect to my laptop. For whatever reason, it just will not do it. It just, the ECU will not connect onto the laptop for some reason. So I gotta figure out why it's doing that, so I can upload a base map. And then at that point, I should be pretty much ready to start it. I was able to get it, the ignition switch. I'll show you guys a little bit. It's pretty junky right now, all my wiring, and sorry for really shaky right now. But I was able to actually get the ignition switch and everything else to work. So the ignition switch works if you turn it on to the on position, accessories turn on, lights turn on, and all that stuff. And then you go ahead and start it. Obviously, you know, everything else was working properly how it should. The ECU was getting power when it should. The starter signal was getting there when it should, and also having the fuel pumps kick on. So really, all I really need to do is upload a base map onto there, add some gas into the gas tank, and pretty much you should be able to turn on. Oh, and also I still gotta fire up the turbo exhaust up pipe, because I'm gonna do hood exit, so I can put an auto sensor in there. But besides from that, it should be pretty close to getting starting up. So pretty excited about that. Hopefully be able to get that here in a day or two, depending how conditions are inside and then how much workload I have. But I think it's gonna be really it for the E30. Just update on that. I'm gonna go ahead right now and finish cleaning up the garage. This is kind of a mess right now. And then after that, I'm gonna go ahead and take you guys probably gonna drive real quick with me to go see what we can do on the 135 on the snow. So let's get it. I don't know if you'll be able to hear over the exhaust, but it is snowing, as you can see. I took it outside. I'm just gonna let it warm up for a few, and then we'll go ahead and take her out for a spin real quick. Pretty big bummer right off the bat. We pretty much got busted. Well, we didn't get caught, but there was a cop on the other side of pretty much the freeway that he's seen it all. So yeah, so as soon as we seen the cop, we just kind of dipped. So since it was kind of a long way for him to go all the way around either way, so kind of just dipped straight home real quick. But we're gonna go see if we can find another spot that's a little better, since we kind of just got burnt there already. So that, probably gonna stop and get some food real quick. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and see if we can find something, a better spot. second spot we went to was also a pretty big fail. I just gotta throw it around once or twice. It's honestly pretty fucking hard doing this shit in the snow. It's honestly, I think it's easier to do it in the, like, when it's dry concrete or anything, because it's just too much wheel spin. On like snow, it's just, you can't move anywhere. It's pretty much just like you're ice skating, so that shit was fucking hard. And then I didn't even get like time to actually try to put something good together or something. It was just pretty much just floor it, throw a steering wheel one way, then counter steer, and then just do that like one or twice. But only got about like 2 minutes each place that I went to before kind of got hot. The second spot we went to, there was somebody I was looking through the window that actually came out of their front porch, or out of their porch, and they were just like staring at us. So and it was kind of hard to tell what they were doing, but my brother was the one that called it quits. He was like, hey, you know, I think they might call the cops or something. So we just kind of decided just to leave instead. So we're just gonna go back home and park the car, and then probably just get back to working on the E30. So if anything, I might take the SUV to the snow. That's all-wheel drive, so the CRV is all-wheel drive, so I'm gonna have a little bit more luck with that, actually, you know, gripping, and try to do something kind of fun with that. But yeah, this car, it couldn't keep grip at all, so it was really hard to control what it was doing, really. And kind of a bummer, but it is what it is. I'm just gonna go ahead and store the car back in the garage, and then probably gonna go get food somewhere else, because all the places that I went to were closed because of Christmas. So yeah, sorry to disappoint you guys. I know it's a bummer. So yeah, I'll probably end up showing you guys exactly what I got done on the E30 real quick, and then I think I'm just gonna call it good for today. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys that right now. So I think it's gonna be it for today's video, really. Don't really have anything else planned for today. I have a pretty bad headache right now, so I gotta figure out what I'm gonna eat. But right before we wrap things up, I did want to show you guys, or tell you guys, that I have ordered a lot of stuff for this car already, as far as the E30. So just know that in a few weeks, or possibly months, probably weeks, you guys are going to be seeing a lot of carbon in this car. And when I say a lot of carbon, it's a lot of carbon fiber stuff. I got pretty much the whole 1M body parts that I need for the 1M body conversion already ordered, and they're on their way. So that's going to be pretty exciting too. And then I'll have some huge stuff coming up with this car. By the time we guys are done, it's going to look completely different. Complete interior makeover, completely. We are going to be doing a roll cage in there as well. Just a little heads up on that. So I kind of just spoiled that, but I'm not going to tell you guys anything else that we're going to be doing until I get the parts, so you guys can see it by yourself. But yeah, just going to wrap things up here. I got to go find somewhere to eat, because I don't really feel like cooking right now. So once again, guys, thanks for watching. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and even the notification one, so you guys don't miss out on anything coming up, because the videos are coming up. It's gonna be pretty spicy, so you don't want to miss them out. But once again, thanks for watching, and see you guys next time. Peace out.